All right, moving over to a case that I know that you've been busy with. Singer Amanda Gibson filed a lawsuit alleging that Jason Derulo made inappropriate passes at her after recruiting her for a record deal. So the filing alleges that the manner and timing of such a statement meant that Jason was demanding sexual acts from Gibson in order for Derulo to fulfill his role as her mentor, supervisor, and musical elaborator. In addition to the alleged sexual harassment, she claims that he lunged at her when she arrived at a June 2022 recording session to berate her for being late. She is seeking an unspecified amount of unpaid wages, loss of earnings, deferred compensation, and other employment benefits and damages for emotional distress as part of the suit. He took to Instagram, denied the claim. So how is your client feeling now that these allegations have been made public?
Amaja feels a lot better. She's received a lot of support. And, when she contacted us, I prepared her for the possibility that Derulo would come, deny the allegations, and call her a liar. But there's something really empowering for a young woman who suffered sexual harassment to be able to tell her story. And now that she's done so, I think she feels a lot better than she did when this was all kept secret.
Definitely. What were your thoughts and her thoughts on Jason's video response?
I thought it was really rehearsed. If you look at the statement, it doesn't seem to come naturally. I don't know if it's something that his legal or PR team put together, but ultimately that's what judges and juries are for. And I would expect that someone to deny the allegations in the first instance, but we'll see what happens. We're going to go through our discovery process. The case is very early. We're going to see what other victims and witnesses come forward, and we'll go from there.
Yeah. Do you foresee this case going to trial? How do you kind of see this playing out, or how do you hope this plays out?
A small percentage of cases go to trial, but this may be one of them, because if you have really a he said, she said type situation where Amaja is saying that, Jason was texting her, taking her, asking her to go out on dates, essentially asked to have sex with her, and then retaliated against her when she said no, and then was rewarding other artists and performers, female, who reportedly did agree to have sex with him. Well, that's going to be, a harassing type environment. And if Jason's saying that none of this happened, well, we're going to have to take the case to trial. But it's still very early. We'll see if a resolution is possible. But at this point, it doesn't seem likely.